Yo, welcome back to another video on Project Channel.
Heavy.
You pressed it already? Oh my god. Hold on. Yo guys, welcome back to another video on Project Channel. Today, we're gonna be letting John try out my new clutch spring. You guys can't see from here, but I installed a new clutch spring to give the car a better feel on the clutch. So John's gonna try it out today, see how it feels, and he might just buy one if he likes it. So we're gonna get the initial reaction right now to the first, see how he reacts.
First off, you gotta get this right here.
Wait, hold up. Wait, what?
First you gotta get this reaction. Look at this little dildo, bro. This is bumpy as fuck, bro.
It's not.
This shit's fuck.
Alright, don't drive yet.
Fucking heavier, dude.
Don't drive yet. It's heavy.
I mean, it feels way heavier, like.
Yeah, it is heavy. It is.
But then at the top, like
there's play,
like,
yeah.
Yeah, why? That's weird.
I don't know.
Like I can do this, and there's like a little bit of play at the top.
Yeah, a lot more play than stock.
There's no play at the stock.
Yeah, not at all actually.
Man, I'm trying to reverse this shit. What the fuck?
Ooh, first gear feels. Oh, bro. Maybe you shouldn't buy this clutch or the clutch spring. God dang.
Well, you can hella tell that it makes it the clutch gauge feel like it's way lower.
Yeah, lower.
But I feel like there's like less range. I don't know. Is it? You know what I'm talking about?
What do you mean less range? Oh yeah, it's quicker. Definitely quicker. Well, your clutch or your transmission was recently changed, right? By the dealer. So like it was kind of different from stock, or from my car at least.
Is it a roundabout? I don't even know the fuck, man.
You can just turn right. For me, I love this clutch spring. Like, it feels great. Oh shit. This guy.
I don't know if I like it, to be honest. Because it makes it the range, or like I don't know what it's called, like the clutch range, like it feels very little.
Yeah, I think it's because the higher the pressure, the quicker it's gonna go, which makes it feel like a shorter range because it's quicker. It definitely is quicker though. I mean, I prefer it to be quicker.
I just feel like it doesn't throw as far down, or I don't know, something is weird about it. Look at that beauty, bro. That should look clean, dude.
Fitment. So me and John are on our way to take some pictures for our car. Just a nice little progress picture. We're trying to find some spots right now. And yeah, I guess I'll give you my review on my Mtec spring. I guess John didn't like that much, and yeah, it is all personal preference, but like once I put in the spring, right away at the first engagement, like I noticed a huge difference. You could just feel the engagement point like a lot easier, and I love it. So I recommend it to you if you feel like first and second gear are iffy sometimes on your FRS, because I know a lot of people complain about, you know, first gear, second gear clutch for the FRS. It just feels weird. Like, it does not feel normal, and I feel like with this Mtec spring, it makes the clutch feel like a normal manual car.
You get boring springs?
I'm probably gonna get coils. So what is your review on the Mtec spring? Thumbs down?
I mean, it's not bad.
Yeah, just not your preference.
I mean, once you get into it, you can't drive my car anymore.
Yeah.
Like once you go from that and you go back to my car, I couldn't feel shit.
It's hard to feel the engagement.
So it depends if you like it heavier.
Dude, our cars looked a lot different. I mean, actually not that much. Well, mine not that much. Yours? Pretty big difference. But still, like, we can compare this video to one of our first videos. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Just got done taking some pictures for our cars and reviewing the Mtec spring. Just a quick little video for you guys. I'll show you guys the pictures at the end. They came out really good. And see you guys next time.